Hi, welcome for RTL online trainings and placements. Myself, Chandra, I am here to talk about Oracle Cloud Fusion Financials training and placement, which we are going to start from 14th November 2023. So ourselves, we are exclusively on Oracle Cloud Technologies training and placement. So in this session, I'm going to explain you what we are going to do it in the training and how we are going to do the placement process, how we are going to do that. So let me introduce myself. This is Chandra, having 18 years of experience in Oracle Cloud as well as in Oracle ERP on-premises technologies. And RTL online trainings is one of the famous institute, which is for training as well as for placement program. Now we are going to start with Oracle Cloud Fusion Financials Techno Functional from 14th November 2023, 7:30 AM IST. First, I'll explain you how we will be performing the training related here, how we are going to conduct the training. So this training agenda is to make you strong in functional end-to-end, both implementation as well as in support, and also having good knowledge on technical side also, because nowadays the companies are asking some technical knowledge also, even though you are as applying as a functional consultant. We'll be talking about general ledger module end-to-end setups, whatever is required for the client, how we will perform the end-to-end implementation process. Once we do the setups, we will also going to discuss how to test those module, means how we are going to perform the transactions. Whenever we talk about any module, first we'll be discussing about the business cycle of that module and what are the setups required for that module, and then how we can test those setups by performing some transactions. So we'll start with general ledger, and then we'll be working with our account payables module, which is very important, and then account receivables. Whenever we are applying for the jobs, these three are mandatory: general ledger, account payables, and account receivables. These three are mandatory. But additionally, we also going to learn fixed assets module, which is going to be maintained and assets information, setups, and as well as the transactions, cash management module, expense module, fusion taxes module. So all these functional modules we are going to discuss practically and implementation side setups as well as the transactions and testing scenarios we'll be discussing. Whenever we are applying as a functional consultant, having experience 3 to 4 years or 4 to 5 years, definitely they'll expect some technical knowledge, because you are a functional consultant and you are working in the project as a team member or team leader or project leader. Definitely you will be getting a requirement from the client saying that develop this report, customize this report, how much time you take to build this report with the technical people. Then we need to provide the time frame, or we need to give some suggestion document, right? So that's why we need to learn some basic things, at least from the technical point of view. We are going to learn all the topics related for the technical in the cloud environment. We'll talk about functional setup manager, tasks configuration, export import process, data migration process, upgrading the setups, and security console, where we'll be talking about user management and role management. Transaction console will be discussing the workflow issues, any transaction issues, how we can perform the diagnostics that, and workflow configurations, notifications, vacation rules, approvals, and approval groups will be discussing. I will talk about the reports, BI reporting and ODBI analysis, and how to work with the FBDA data conversion, including the spreadsheet data loader. Multiple FBDA conversions will be doing, like journals, suppliers, invoices will be working. And we'll also talk about the sandboxes, how we can do the personalizations. So this course is going to be functional, end-to-end, 100%, and also having the technical scope, means having the technical knowledge, which will be helpful for you to make the clear the interviews, and you can in fact apply as a techno-functional consultant. In the training itself, we are going to provide you every class will be recorded and will provide through Google Drive, so that you can download that video and keep that video always with you, and you can practice a number of times that. And we'll provide the Oracle Fusion server access, minimum 6 months, and we'll give it up to maximum 8 months. The course duration is going to be 2 months, 2 months to another 10 days, or not more than that. Okay, because we would like to complete the course in time frame, whatever we have discussed and whatever the syllabus we have mentioned in the demos, okay, that we are going to provide. So we'll be having 3 demo sessions, 14th, 15th, and 16th. And I will be providing you the meeting link as well as the admin number in the video description. You can get it from there. And then we are going to have the WhatsApp group will be created for the support when you are doing the practice. If you get any errors or if you have some doubts, you can communicate with me. I'm also the part of the WhatsApp group. I'll be replying you so that it's like even you are you are attending in online also, still it's an offline support which we will be providing you. And providing the complete implementation training. So whatever the training we are going to take in all those modules, it's complete implementation experience we are going to have so that you can apply it for implementation projects as well as for the support projects. And then in the training itself, I'll be explaining you how to prepare your resume as a fresher as well as an experienced consultant, so that according to that you can prepare your profile, which is very important because after completion of any course, we should be in a position to prepare our resume and apply for the job. So I'll be showing you how to prepare a resume and will provide you some sample resume templates and clients interactions. Then you can go for prepare your profile, and any doubts are there, will help you over there. And document preparation will be there, like what are the different OEM methodology or AIM methodology, different documents we'll be preparing in cloud projects we'll be discussing. Then interview preparation. So once the course is completed, once you complete your process of videos and topics and do the practice, then how to prepare for an interviews. I'll be telling you the standard process which we'll follow for interview preparation. You can go ahead with that so that you can easily attend for the interviews. And we will be providing you the excellent cloud document. Actually, Oracle will provide the documents, cloud documents, but those documents will have huge number of pages information, but those all things are not required. We have prepared from RTL, which is going to have exclusively required for interview point of view as well as for the project point of view. So you can go through those documents and gets clear your interview preparations and all here. That's how we are going to be have the hands-on training practically with oriented until the completion of the resume preparation, document interview preparation, and for interview point of view, whatever the questions are required, I'll be explaining you in the topic itself. Like somebody says that, yes, we got trained from you and we got resume and we got preparation, but still we are not in a confident position. We wanted to go with the placement with RTL, then you can go ahead with our placement program where we will be charging only 10% and 90% you will be paying after the offer letter is released. Okay, so this is an offline which we are located in Hyderabad. You can find the description address here. The placement, RTL believes mainly the preparation of the basic training, whatever we have prepared. So whatever the training we have given means the syllabus, it should be clear. That is the first thing. So that has to be completed. So maybe 35 hours, 40 hours is there. That has to be completed. After completion of this preparation, then practical assignment will be there. There will be a practical assignment here. So that you have to complete. And then presentation is very important. For example, we have done the assignment. After completion of that assignment, we'll put that assignment in the resume saying that we have done in the project this work and we got this requirement. Then they will ask you, can you explain about this? You have mentioned in your resume saying that configured supplier withholding tax setups. Can you tell me what is withholding tax? Why you configured for your client? How you have configured? What are the sequence of setups you have performed for configuration of withholding tax, and how you have tested that, and after that how you have delivered to the client, what documents you have prepared. So this all we have to explain. We know the answer because we have done practically multiple times we have done, but we have not given the presentation anytime. If that is a major part we are going to cover in RTL. So in RTL placement batch, we will ask the consultant first prepare the module. After that, we will give the practical assignments. The consultant should complete the assignment and then he has to explain what he has done it. That will be helpful in the interview point of view. so that they can easily go for interview point of view. These are the 3 P's or RTL Technologies will believe. One is preparation, another one is practical assignment, another one is a presentation. This all 3 P's is going to be the success for our interview preparation. That we strongly believe in the placement batch. In offline, we are going to conduct, as well as online also we will go for provide this. So whenever we say that we are going to conduct the placement, how we will be providing is, first, we will be providing the videos where you are supposed to prepare for the particular module. Then we will give the assignment in that module. During the assignment, if the consultant gets struck up, then we will provide the solution. In case if the consultant is not able to do it, we'll help you to do that. So here placement batch is going to be completely the involvement of the consultant, 80%. As a placement trainer, from my point of view, only 20% it will be there. I'll give an assignment. You have to start working on that. During that assignment working process, if you get any doubts, then you need to come to me. Then I'll tell you, yes, you are doing this, and this is not the right way of approaching the result, and this is how you have to do that. So that we will give the process so that assignment will be completed. After completion of the assignment, this is very important, demo. You might have done multiple assignment. When you say I'm not able to give the demo, there is no use, because the demos will make you confidence level. And when you go for an interview, and whatever the assignments you have done here, that only you are supposed to explain in the interview point of view, right? So whatever the assignments are done, make sure that you are going to conduct a demo through by using the Zoom link or any other online. We can go for conduct, and your team members are going to join, and I am also going to join sometimes whenever I have the time. And then we are going to speak in English in a functional words, so that will make flow is more convenient and more professional. And FAQs, we have around 300 FAQs, more than 300 FAQs are prepared by me, and exclusively, like some of the FAQs you might be knowing, but you are not clear how to explain. For example, they'll ask you, can you go ahead with the explanation of the ledger? What is mean by primary ledger? So primary ledger is basically, it's a logical organization which we will be using to maintain the accounting information in a proper format, where we are going to combine 4 C's: currency, calendar, chart of accounting, structure, and compliance method. In chart of accounting structure, we are going to have group of segments. According to that, we'll go for configure the ledger, and this ledger will have the legal entities. Within the legal entities, we'll go for define the business units. Like that, the flow of the question and answers I have prepared, but these videos, FAQ videos, whatever more than 300 videos which we have, that will be in our RTL online training server, which you cannot access in online. You have to come to our office in offline. You need to go through those videos, which cannot be copied outside. You have to sit in front of the system and use the headphones and listen those FAQ videos and prepare on the spot and get confidence level, and then go for interview and as well as clearing purpose. Okay. For general ledger module, maybe it takes 10 to 15 hours time to prepare entire module. We'll provide the videos that you have to prepare. Then I'll give you 5 assignments in GL module. You have to complete, and every assignment you have to give the demo. And there are 25 FAQs for the GL module. All those are available in our RTL real-time labs that you can go for access. And on this spot, you can go for learn the FAQs. But you cannot copy those videos. You cannot go for record, because it's 24/7 CC cameras allowance is there. Then account payables module, 12 hours preparation. And assignments, 10 assignments, I'm going to do it in account payables. I'm going to give it to you. And all the 10 assignments, you have to give the demo. There are 40 important questions, AP module. Account receivables, which is very important, 14 hours time it takes for preparation. 10 assignments will be there. You have to provide the demos for all 10. And then 40 FAQs are there for account receivables. Cash management, 6 hours of preparation and 5 assignments and 5 demos, and 15 FAQs are there. Fixed assets, 6 hours of preparation, 4 assignments and 4 demos and 15 FAQs. And expense module, 5 hours is required for preparation. Assignments is 3 hours and 3 assignments and 3 demos and 15 FAQs are there. So you will find more than these FAQs regular. It's not like I have mentioned module wise this, but it will be more than, because every day in our placement batch around 3 to 4 interviews will be happening. As soon as consultant interview is completed, he will be discussing with me. These are the questions are asked in the interview. Out of 20 questions, I have answered around 12 questions. These are, and 8 questions I was not able to answer. Then I'll go for explain what are the answers they have to give. Next interview they'll be preparing. So all these questions, I'm going to prepare the video so that I'll keep that inside of the RTL servers. So those consultants, it's a keep on. So keep on updating this FAQ entry questions in my RTL lab. Okay. So regarding the placement process, this one is the subject point of view and the execution, how we will do it. So if you have any doubts, you can communicate with our admin person. And then the preparation, assignment, demos, FAQs, that is very important for the placement. So why RTL Technologies is required? So why don't we go for other institutes who are providing Oracle Fusion Financials? So I can say 2 strong reasons here. The first one is the only institute which has got more than 11,000 YouTube subscribers who are exclusively for Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay, so in RTL, if you go to YouTube and if you search for RTL online trainings, 11,400 subscribers exclusively Oracle Fusion Cloud. This is not other technologies. It's purely Oracle Fusion Cloud. So we have this many professionals who are learning, who has got jobs, who are experts. This all count is 11,000. No institute has got this many subscribers for Oracle Fusion Cloud exclusively. Yes. Then having track record of more than 10,000 students from 2011, more than 10 years of in the field, we have trained and placed more than 10,000 students since 2011. And we are providing an excellent environment for interview preparation and clearing. As I said just now, once the interview is completed, the consultant will be communicating with me and saying that these are the questions as asked in the interview, and these are the questions I was able to clear. These are the questions not clear. Then I'll be giving the answers. In fact, I'll prepare a video immediately. I'll keep it an RTL servers so that they can go ahead next time and multiple times. In fact, those videos you cannot copy, you cannot download, you cannot upload, you cannot use any email or any video transfer options. 100% you have to sit in front of the system. You have to use the headphones and learn on the spot. So there is a pressure that you have to complete the task. You have to complete that answers with the question and answers and explanations and different scenarios. Okay, so we are going to start from 14th. You can communicate with this number regarding the training. As I said, there will be two things in RTL Technologies. One is training, another one is a placement. In the training itself, will provide all the information like subject, resume preparation, interview preparation, documentation support, everything will provide in the training itself. If at all you would like to go with the, yes, I wanted to go with the more experience, 5+ or 4+, then you can go ahead with the placement. As I said, we'll be having majorly the placement point of view, preparation, practical assignment, and presentation. So we'll follow 3 P's in the RTL Technologies. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your valuable time which you have spent with us. Let's contact this number. Any doubts you have, please find the next batch demo session link, Zoom link in the video description, as well as the contact number. Thank you.